What is going on today, guys? It's your boy KNIXX Gaming back once again today with a brand new stream do-it-yourself video. Well, if you're new to the stream do-it-yourself series, what we're trying to do here, guys, is we're trying to save you time, money, and effort by sharing with you some tips that we've learned throughout the years. So today we're going to be discussing webcam masks and how to change the shape of your webcam. But before we do that, if you guys are new around here and you want to discuss this further, discuss gaming, streaming, whatever it may be, feel free to hop on into our Twitch chat. We would love to have you guys there. But the first step you're going to need to do is obviously you're going to need to download an OBS, Streamlabs, OBS Studio, Stream Elements, whatever it is you want, download it. This video is going to assume that you already have a scene kind of set up in your OBS. So after you have your OBS all set up and everything, you're gonna want to just go to Google. This is the easiest way to do it, guys. There are lots of programs to make it yourself if you prefer, or you want to change up the shape or whatever it may be. But the easiest way I found to do it was I literally just typed in black circle PNG, as you guys can see on the screen here. All I did was type in black circle PNG. I found one that is a transparent background. This in particular one, so be wary. Sometimes you have to actually click on the link and go to the website and download it from their website. You can't just save the image sometimes. Mostly if it's a company or a website that gives out PNGs. But some of them will have a transparent background, that one doesn't. You can tell by the background will be a checkered pattern like that. And after you have your circle, or whatever shape you want, you can go ahead and open your OBS. But before we do, we just want to discuss maybe a quick way that if you did want to do it yourself, make it yourself, that you could. And the easiest way is through programs such as Photoshop, Inkscape, I'm pretty sure will let you do it, GIMP will let you do it. Pretty much anything that you can draw a circle on a transparent background. That's all you have to do. Or a shape of whatever kind you want. After you have your circle, I don't care how you got it, but after you have it, you're gonna open up your OBS. Alright guys, you're gonna open up your OBS now. You're gonna have a screen that looks like this, minus all this junk up here. But you're gonna want to go ahead and go into add. Obviously you need to add your webcam, so we're gonna go ahead and add our webcam right now. So after your webcam is added, once again we're just gonna go ahead and add it. Ours will already be circle because I'm just adding the previous webcam that I already had. And there we go, we have a circle now. And what we're gonna want to do here, guys, is we're going to go ahead, and yours will be a box, so don't mind that mine's a circle. You're gonna want to go into filters. Don't mind any of these other filters, they're just to improve the image of my crappy webcam. But you're gonna want to go into image mask / blend, and when you go into image mask / blend, you will have a screen that looks very similar to this. You're gonna go ahead and add your shape, your black shape. So we're gonna, for the sake of this video, we're gonna change it to a splotch and kerplunk. We now have a splotch as a webcam. As you guys can see, any shape that you guys literally have, you can use. So basically, same thing goes for any other shape. So as you guys can see, we will go ahead and add our circle back in, and away we go. As you guys can see, very, very simple, very, very easy to actually set up. And now you're done. Now all you would do is you'd go ahead and find yourself a circular webcam frame. Until next time, guys, again, it was really quick. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope to see you on our Twitch page that is linked in the description below. Till next time. Peace.